Konnichiwa fellow crafters, and welcome to a new episode of Running Me Crafts Online Tutorials Origami Workshop. In today's episode, we're heading for the 7th seas. We're going to make an origami whale to go with our origami butterfly and rabbit from episodes 1 and 2. So as before, we've got our origami paper, which is cut to a square, 6 inches by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimetres in old money. Pen. You can use either a felt tip or a pencil for decorating this later in the video, and scissors. You very rarely need scissors in origami, but for this particular one we do. So without further ado, let's make us a whale. Right, so our first step will be to fold our paper, so we're going from this corner to that corner, so each edge meets there. Oh, bear with me, and then just fold down that edge like that, so we've got a nice triangle. Going to turn it this way for our next stage. So fold it out, so it's in a sort of diamond, and we're going to fold this corner like that. Careful the top edge, fold that down, then repeat that on the second. So this will turn it into a kite shape. We'll turn the paper this way, and we fold over just a little tiny, so we've got a little tiny triangle here at the top. It's like a spaceship, doesn't it? The next stage we'll just turn it over like that. So you see our whale's just starting to take shape now. I'm sort of seaside kind of person, really. I can remember when I was very young going to a peaceful little village called Brasham Bay down in West Sussex. I had the opportunity to go back there just a couple of months ago, in fact, between jobs, and it was just nice to go back there. Really hasn't changed much recently. I mean, I haven't been back for about 7 years, I think. It hasn't changed much there either. The sea views are still very nice, and the village's still nice and peaceful, and the fish and chips down there are very nice. There's something nice about having fish and chips by the sea. It's a very nice experience. Something I try and do at least once a year when I get the chance. There's also something majestic about whales as well. I know they sometimes get a bad rap in books and movies and so forth, but really they're probably the most gentle creatures in the world. And yeah, they do get a bad rap. I mean, I know everybody's all for dolphins for people growing up in my era, really, things like the TV show Flipper and also movies like Free Willy, who has a killer whale. Sorry, yeah, killer whale. You got that right. Yeah, a killer whale in that one. So yeah, they're very majestic creatures and a bit misunderstood sometimes. But anyways, let's get back to giving our whale a tail. So what we do is we fold this end over. This will give our whale his tail. Fold the edge down, fold the edge down. Now we're just going to unfold it again, and we're going to just unfold our whale just for a moment, and the reason being is we're going to cut a little tiny, we cut a little slit here. This will give our tail. So just for note for our younger viewers, when you're using scissors, always be careful. We don't want any accidents. So it's just where the gap where the two folds meet. Just cut that there. Fold it back over. Fold our tail back over like so. Fold over like that, and over like that. So just let those straighten those up a bit. Sorry, meant to fold out the other way. My apologies for that. Let's just fold. So we fold over our tail, we fold over the side parts there, and we have an origami whale. Let's fold the edge down again, and we'll just get our pen. Now you can use a pen, pencil, felt tip, or even some googly eyes from a craft shop for this part. So let's give him an eye and see where he's going out there on the high seas, and let's give him a nice smile as well. So he's a friendly whale. So a few little adjustments, make sure all the folds are done. I just sorry, the tail's a bit. Stand him up like that. Just fold it over a little bit to make sure the tail's a bit straighter. There we go. And also for the eye decoration, you can do that on the other side as well. So, an eye, a smile. We can stand it up like that. So there we have it. That's one origami whale. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as usual, don't forget if you haven't already subscribed, click the subscribe button at the end of the video, and also click the bell for notifications where you can keep patched with all new videos that are coming up over the next few months. And for those who are sort of following our knitting machine workshops, parts 3 and 4 will be coming in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So if you haven't already subscribed, keep your eyes peeled. Also, don't forget you can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Instructions coming up at the end. And also, you can also follow us on nextdoor.org, the local community forum. So we've got a group there. We've got over 50 members who are learning and shopping with us every week. So just type in Running with Crafts in the search box and just click invite, and you can learn with us through that. Also, don't forget you can also follow us on Patreon to help support our work in the community. And last but not least, you can also shop with us as well on our website, www.runningwithcrafts.com. Just click online shop on our homepage, and it will take you to our online shop in association with SumUp. So thanks again for joining us. Stay crafty, take care, and Godspeed. That's a naval term meaning safe journey. So from everyone here at Running with Craft Towers, bye for now.